He had gone to Chandigarh. I mean, each and every muscle shows, projects the hard work he has put in for this movie. And
welcome teachers, welcome my students. I don't think any of us need introduction about Farhan. Do you? No, yes. But yesterday I was talking to the teachers who taught him. And you know, even during the school days, he was an excellent dancer, an excellent athlete. And the teachers told me that every annual day he was on the stage with some item or the other. And another teacher told me something which I was shocked. He used to rotate on his head. Wow, wow. A round of applause, all of you, for Farhan. We are proud. His actor, singer role in Rock On, Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara, Kartik Calling Kartik. Farhan has truly lived up to the motto of the school, there is no excellence without labor. There are different types of people. Some people see things as they are and they say, why? Things that never were and they say, why not? So that's how Farhan, why not? He takes up all the challenges. And my dear children, my last message to you is, do not remain as ducks.
Good morning, everyone. And firstly, I'd like to thank the principal. I'd like to thank Mrs. Sachdev. I'd like to thank all the teachers, all the staff of this wonderful school that's filled with so many memories for me, for welcoming us back here today after 20 odd years of having left. So thank you all very, very much. Thank you. This is probably the most nervous I've been since the release of this film, so I might as well share that immediately. Firstly, like the principal said, this hall really has a phenomenal amount of memories. I remember taking part in many dance contests, dance performances, personality contests, art contests, karate contests. Many contests happened right here. And I just want to say really that I almost am at this moment finding this a bit surreal. You know that I'm back here, it's still not fully sunk in. But I'm just so happy that the basic motto that your principal also shared with you, that we all learned while we were in the school, that there is no excellence without labor, is the same motto that Milkha ji has in his life, is the same motto that's been passed on to all of us who've left the school, and it really, really has held us in really, really good focus for our lives, and I hope we've all done you proud. wherever, in whichever field we've gone, not just me in film, but there are many students doing some really, really good work wherever they are. I would also like to thank the gentleman here from Sundaram Books for having collaborated with us on the film and really taking the message of this school and of Milkha Ji to so many students across the world who will hopefully be inspired by this very same motto and same message that all of us share. So thank you very, very much. Now I really don't know what else it is I can say to you. So I think the best thing to do is let's just sing a song.
Well, before that, I would like Farhan to unveil the book which is being launched, and probably then we'll get on to some music and dance. You know, when he was there, very small, and we all used to gather around, and Farhan used to be told even once. So, इसके जो दोस्त होते थे, Sharman, Nitesh, and a few others, they would say, भाई हमको तो डांस आता नहीं है. He would say, तुम लाइन में सिर्फ मेरे साथ खड़े के होके मटक लेना, डांस तो मैं ही कर लूँगा. So I mean, he will definitely perform today in front of us, and we are looking forward to it. So it's time for you to unveil.
So much, I would have probably done better in my studies. Well, I think this is a great night, but I'd like all of you to sing along with me, please. दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम्हें समझो के शायद मैं पागल हूँ. दिल कहता है कि मैं खो जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे करूं. And sorry, before we leave, I've come into this hall after so long. There was one thing I always did whenever I came into this hall, and that I must do for everybody. Please hold this mic for 1 second.
फरहान ये नहीं पूछेंगे यहाँ पे कैसा लगा, ये पूछेंगे यहाँ पे कितने जज्बाती हो गए आप?
अरे बहुत मुश्किल है बताना। मैं बहुत सालों के बाद अपने स्कूल में आया हूँ और बहुत खुशी हो रही है। मतलब थोड़ा अभी तक पूरी तरह से मुझे सिंक नहीं हुआ है। व्हाट अ वंडरफुल वार्म वेलकम प्रिंसिपल से, टीचर से। आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ देम। मतलब बहुत से यादें ताज़ा हुई।
कितना आपको रोका हुआ है आपने, कितना अपने जज्बातों को रोका हुआ है आपने, कब कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं इवन द स्टेज, इवन जस्ट राइट नाउ?
हाँ मतलब अब क्या कह सकता हूँ, ये मतलब समझने वाली बातें होती हैं। मैं बताया मतलब कैसे मैं डालूँ इनको लफ्ज़ों में, मुश्किल है। लेकिन इतनी खुशी है कि मतलब स्कूल ने, जब मैंने उनसे कहा कि हम यहाँ पर आके ये बुक का लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही एक स्पेशल मोमेंट है मेरे लिए कि स्कूल बुक्स पे मिल्खा जी का जो मैसेज है वो भी आएगा और वो हमारे स्कूल के मैसेज से बिल्कुल सहमत है कि there is no excellence without labor is the motto of our school, and I think that is the motto of Milkha ji as well. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात हुई, मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
Farhan, also along with that, yesterday on Twitter you mentioned something about the midday meal. You also backfired the entire concept of midday meal. What do you want to say about that?
No, I didn't backfire the concept of midday meal. I think midday meal is a very very good scheme. I think it's important that it's regulated well, and I think it's important that the quality of food is maintained well, because we trust our children when we send them to school. So it's important that somebody looks into it, and it's very unfortunate and really tragic what has happened. And if it's happened because of negligence or, as they are claiming in some conspiracy theories, poisoning, I don't know. That time when the courts will decide and the investigation will decide. But it's very very unfortunate, and hopefully it should never ever happen.
फरहान किस किस्म के स्टूडेंट थे? अब आगे रहते थे, बैक बेंचर थे, मस्ती करते थे, कभी रिमार्क्स आए कैलेंडर में?
अब आप ऐसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं जिनके मैं मतलब आई वाज एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट, मगर मैं एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ जैसे अपने प्रिंसिपल ने अंदर बताया उसमें बहुत बिजी रहता था। स्पोर्ट हो, परफॉर्मेंस हो, उन चीज़ों में। एंड या बिट ऑफ अ बैक बेंचर ओनली। और जैसे उन्होंने कहा मैं अपने हेड पे हेड स्पिन किया करता था, सो मे बी दैट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद माय लो स्कोर्स एट लीस्ट।
What was the worst complaint that your parents got for you? Because, as you said, you were somewhere down the line naughty. What was the worst complaint that you ever thought your parents?
Well, I mean, over here, no matter what remark was given in your diary, it felt like it was the end of the world. Like you thought like that's it. So talking in class only was so frightening. Anyway, but thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.